Tires are the glue that keeps your RV safely on the road. Hey folks, thanks for tuning back into the Colonial RV channel. It's Joe Welch's here with another service tech tip video. Today we're going to be talking about tires. Specifically, those big expensive tires on your Class A motorhomes. We're going to talk about how to read them and how to maintain them. All right, let's get right to it. Unlike regular car tires, which are typically replaced due to their tread wear, RV tires tend to travel fewer miles in any given year, meaning most RV tires need to be replaced due to the age of the tire, not the tread wear. But today we're going to go over some tips that will extend the life of your tire, and these are the tips that I share with our customers here, both service and purchasing their Class A motorhomes. Varying by manufacturers, these RV tires can typically last anywhere from 5 to 8 years, depending on how much you use them as well as how well they're maintained. We typically don't recommend running these tires past that expiration date, but some manufacturers, like for example Michelin, claim that with proper care their tires can last upwards of 10 years before they need to be replaced. Before going over these life extending tips here, let's first talk about how we're going to properly read this tire. First thing I'm going to locate is our DOT number here. The last two is the year, and the first two as the week of the year that it was made. This will help us properly determine when these tires need to be replaced. Let's go over a couple tips for maintenance to ensure a long-lasting tire. First, don't overload your tires. The safest bet is to refer to the manufacturer's load and inflation table to determine the maximum weight that this tire can support with the weight it's carrying on that axle. Loading them beyond their recommended capacity typically can lead to tire failures and can speed up the aging process of the tire itself. Number 2, keeping your tires properly inflated at all times. Over and under inflation not only makes the ride very uncomfortable, but also will unevenly wear the tire, and it'll prematurely wear your tires and make it unsafe. Even if you're storing your RV, it's very important that you come and periodically check to make sure that they are not deflating while they're left in storage. Number 3, make sure your RV is properly aligned. After getting new tires, you should always make sure that your RV has been aligned. Misaligned RVs lead to unusual wear patterns and make for a very uncomfortable ride. If you don't know if your RV is misaligned, simply look at your tire treads, see if you see an uneven wear pattern, and if so, it might be time to take it to the shop. Number 4, keep your tires clean and protected. Dirt and grime can cause deterioration of the tire's rubber. We recommend that you wash them down and you clean them with a soft brush. The same type of thing that you would do for your RV following a good cleaning. Make sure that some type of tire treatment is put on to help coat and protect that rubber. Very popular in the RV community is the 303 aerospace protectant. This protectant not only protects from fading, discoloration, and cracking from harmful UV rays, it also repels dust and stains, helping you to extend the life of your tire. You can even go so far as acquiring some wheel covers to protect them from the sun's UV rays. Number 5, periodically use and rotate your tires. Have you ever heard the saying, use them or lose them? Well, the same thing applies for your tires. The tires will age faster if they're not being driven. So if you're staying somewhere for an extended period of time, I tell folks just take the RV for a quick drive around. Move those tires and avoid any unwanted cracks or damage. When storing your tires, make sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines on how to properly keep them safe over that storage period. For example, you want to keep a very nice clean area, level if possible. You want to lower the load on the tires as much as possible, and just follow every single advice tip you can until you have a properly stored tire. Remember, proper maintenance and care will keep you and your RV happy for years to come. Follow these simple steps and potentially extend the life of your tires for several years, saving thousands in the end. Before we end this video, we would really appreciate everyone hitting that like button below and subscribing if you haven't already. If you found this video helpful or you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us at colonialairstream.com or call us at our phone number at 800-265-9019. My name is Joe Welch's, and I'll see you all in the next Colonial Service Tip video.